Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Today we have a kick cylinder and it is an Albert lebel lock. Absolute awesome guy. Please check out his channel. I'll leave his name in the description and up on the screen. Absolutely makes some really tricky locks. He's well known now for making very tricky locks. It's called Springy by Albert lebel. This was sent to me by my good friend Bill Bacardi. It came in a little velvet bag. As you can tell, my voice is a little bit different. I can't stand touching velvet. It goes through me. Like cotton wool as well. I hate cotton wool. Absolutely drives me mad. But we all have our things. But before we do, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk or check us out on Discord at Extraordinary League of Pickers and at UKLP at Lockpicking and Locksport on Facebook. And if you like to see my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. As I make 2-3 videos a week, from picking locks to challenge locks, tutorials to all sorts of lock stuff related, really. Also, got to say the biggest shout out ever to all my subscribers, from the veteran ones who've been there from the beginning to the new ones. Absolute thank you very much, every single one of you. I appreciate all of you and your comments, all your input, and sometimes the things that you'd like to see. Absolutely fantastic. I checked my subs this morning and I was just over 900, and it's like, wow, blew my mind. Yeah, still can't quite grasp that, but all I can say is absolutely thank you very much to all of you, each and every one of you. Awesome guys. So yes, hopefully let's get this picked. The key's mummified, so you can't see what's inside it. I'm going to use a pry bar and a Bobby Keys hook. I'm going to start top of the keyway. Now, I've not picked this yet, but I did notice that it's got fairly stiff core, which means I'm going to have to manually counter it. But hopefully, got me picked up now. There we go. Let's see what we have got. Oh, there we go. I had to counter it then myself. Again. Sorry about that, my arm's sticking to the non-slip mat. Let me just go for a reset. Oh, got a default set there. Wow. What is it? Nothing on 5. Oh, we might need a... No, not one. Oh, one. Don't want to lose this. Come on, get it. There we go. Oh, still got it. I wonder. It feels like all the pins are set. It's not fully open. It's just definitely just a false set. And that made me lose that, so it's not number 4. What card is that? Definitely got some serrations in there. And either got a T-pin, a drunken spool, or a very deep spool. Oh, got default set again. Right, it's not one. Right. No, not 2. No, it's not 3. Oh, we're open. Well, that was number 4 of that. Phew, thought I was not going to get that one in there again. There we go, let's move that out of the way. We can lock it back up because we have the key. So we can get there. Just 1 minute. There we go. And there was the bitting. It's quite nice bitting. Oh, we do work nice and smooth. Are we getting this off the back of that? Oh, I see, yep. Yep. Right. Just have to pause while I pull the back of this off. Oh, we're sorted. The clip, it just fell off with ease. Right. Well, like I say, there could be a drunken spool or a T-pin in there, so definitely time for a shim for this, just in case. Key. Let me bring this light round here now. I don't need it right in front of the camera. Yep, just there. We've got one all the way through with no problems, which is always cool. For some reason, let's try it upside down. It doesn't want to come. Right, it goes all the way through that way. Right, this is going to be very tricky. Yes, did it. There we go. That was quite a tricky job doing that, just because of the really odd end just there. It was a 5-pin. Let's have a look what Albert's put in this. Standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, and a standard in 5. We have got something going on in the core. We have got counter milling in 1, nothing in 2, nothing in 3, nothing in 4, and counter milling in 5. Very nice work there, Albert, my friend. Let's take the shim out as we don't need that for the moment, and let's see what the magic is hiding in here. Very nice spool, and it's actually serrated. Nice steel spring. Another very nice serrated. It's like a barrel pin, but some very nice serrations on that. Got a standard steel springs again. And number 3, sorry. We've got another really nice serrated driver, which I can pick up with the tweezers, which means it's got, you can pick them up, you know it's got deep serrations if you can pick them up with the there you are, I got you. Very nice, another deep serrated driver with another standard steel spring. Let's go in from the back. Get that last one. There we go. It is a very nice pin. There's something in there that was giving me trouble. And another steel spring. So look in the Bible. Got anything going on? Nope. Nothing done in the Bible. Absolute awesome job, Albert, my friend. Let's have a good look at these. What we've got. So we've got standard key pins all the way through, 1 to 5. And as drivers, we have got very nice driver, and don't focus it just there. We've got it's actually looks like it's slightly serrated as well. Yep, it's serrated on the spool. Got a very nice driver here, which is a bit like a barrel pin with 2 serrations, not too deep as I can not really pick them up. Number 2, we've got a very nice serrated, double serrated driver again. Almost picked that up, they are fairly deep. Number 4, we've got a very nice, another one serrated driver. Wide serrations at the top, fairly deep. And in number 5, we've got this very nice, as you can see, pin in pin. Absolute awesome work, Albert, my friend. Great job on that lock. Very fun. Quite misleading till you get that deep fault set. But absolutely awesome, my friend. Love picking that. So yeah, please check out Albert's channel. He's an absolute great guy. And Mr. Bill Bacardi. I'll leave the names in the description and everything. This is off to Mr. Daz Evers. So thank you very much for watching. Big thank you to all my subscribers. Please subscribe. And bye. Don't forget to like.